We all gotta go there various times during the day, but it isn't very common in English to say I have to go to the toilet. As with many taboo words related to bodily functions, toilet is typically replaced with more informal words and imaginative euphemisms.
Hey guys, stop, we're going to the bathroom. Just go, man.
Real ladies don't go to the toilet, they go to the bathroom.
Honey, I desperately need to go to the bathroom.
What's the problem, Stanley? I need to go to the bathroom.
I'm just gonna run to the bathroom.
Excuse me, please, is there a restroom?
Yeah, I just have to go to the restroom.
I have to use the restroom.
Harry, can I use your restroom?
So, excuse me if I have to go to the restroom a few times a day.
So where's the loo?
I'm going to the loo.
It's dangerous out there.
I don't believe it. I actually moved into the loo with her.
I'm going to the loo.
You let a complete stranger use your loo?
You gotta go to the John too, huh?
Hey man, I gotta hit the John.
Jesus, Dad, I'm on the John. She even reads on the John.
Well, I'm gonna use the John.
So next time you're with a group of native English speakers and you need to go, try using some of these alternative terms and expressions. However, choose them carefully because some are ruder than others.
Harry? What? I know this isn't the best time, but when you get a chance to pull over,
I have to pee.
I need to pee.
I have to pee really badly.
All right. But I have to pee first.
I need to piss, actually. I'm gonna take a piss.
I have to get up 3 times a night to take a piss.
I'm just looking for a place to take a piss. I'm going for a piss.
I'm going to relieve myself.
Relieve myself of some of your fine Alaskan beer.
Open up a trunk and relieve myself.
No. Nature calls. Nature calls.
I gotta take a leak. If I wanted a joke, I'd follow you into the John and watch you take a leak.
No big deal.
I'm taking a leak.
I gotta take a leak.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and powder my nose.
I'm just gonna powder my nose.
I will go, powder my nose.
I just have to powder my nose.
What? I'm gonna go powder my nose.